everyone, happy December and welcome back to the Limoneira YouTube channel. I'm Megan Roosevelt, registered dietitian, nutritionist, founder of Healthy Grocery Girl, and spokesperson for Limoneira's One World of Citrus. One of my favorite memories during the holiday season as a little girl was making holiday treats and giving them to friends and family. But equally, I loved receiving holiday treats and eating them from friends and family because who doesn't love a big plate of delicious holiday goodies? Today I'm sharing with you how to make these scrumptious cardamom orange sugar cookies. They're so good and they're a really fun and great gift to give to a coworker, a teacher, friends or family, your neighbors. They're absolutely delicious, and here's how you make them. To make this recipe, you will need orange zest, blanched almond flour, baking soda, cardamom, cinnamon and nutmeg, melted coconut oil, and real maple syrup. Add the almond flour, orange zest, baking soda, and spices to a large bowl and whisk them together. Then add the coconut oil and maple syrup and stir until fully combined. Fold into a ball and place in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. Then line a baking sheet and place the dough in the center, top with wax paper, and roll until about half of a centimeter thick. Cut into squares or use a cookie cutter to make preferred shapes. Bake in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. And while the cookies bake, add 2 teaspoons of canned coconut milk to a small bowl with 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and stir together. Once the cookies are baked, let them cool before icing and then enjoy. Citrus, and particularly oranges, are such a Christmas and holiday classic. They're great in holiday dishes, they're also great for decorating, and all this month I have tasty recipes and decor ideas to celebrate the holiday season featuring Limoneira Citrus. That's it for today's video. I hope you love this recipe. I hope you make it and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. You can view or print this recipe by clicking the link below in the video description box. And don't forget to look for sustainably grown Limoneira Citrus when you're at the grocery store picking up items for the holiday season. You can stay connected with Limoneira on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and of course right here on the Limoneira YouTube channel. Make sure you click that red subscribe button so you never miss a video. Happy holidays, everyone. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.